Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make these panties. This one is a boyfriend style panties. So I always start with the pressing the fabric if I'm working with cotton. Just press the fabric and lay it out as you can see in the picture. You will have this picture also in instructions and how to put the paper pattern on the fabric. So here you can see that I pinned the pattern on the fabric and just cutting the details out. So in total you should have one waistband, two back pieces, two front pieces and four of the side front pieces. So I start with pinning together two front side pieces and I'm doing that at the bottom. So just pin them together and then you will need to serge them together, or if you don't have a serger, you can also use a zigzag stitch. So here you can see the pieces serged together. So now I'm pressing the seam. Now I'm turning the garment right side out. So just press that seam all the way down and do this step on both side pieces. And here we have one front piece and one back piece. So I'm going to pin them together at the bottom and serge that edge. And since you have two front pieces and two back pieces, you should do that on both, as you can see here. So now you need to take one of the front pieces and pin that piece together with the side piece and the other center front piece. So you should put the side piece in between the two center pieces. So just put it in between them and then pin all the way down to the back side. You will shortly see in the video what I mean. Please make sure that the seams at the bottom, as you can see here in the middle, that they are aligned, so it will be on the same level. So now when you have serged together that side, we will serge together the other. So take the center piece from the other side, put the side piece in between and close up with the other centerpiece. And just pin all the way down to the bottom. Now when you have serged together both pieces, you have to turn the panties right side out and do that from the center front pieces. Just pull everything out. Can be a little hard, but it's manageable. So now we will connect the panties at the side. So you need to take the back side piece and the front, put them face to face, and then pin together, and then serge together. Before going forward, you have to press all of those seams, all of those edges, as you can see that I already done here. And now we are going to understitch on the face of the panties. So I'm creating a stitch around 1 or 2 millimeters from the edge. Just understitch all the way around the leg on both sides. And this step is of course optional, so if you're not going for the same design as I did, you don't have to do this step. The panties will look fine like they are right now. Now I'm going to make another stitch, and this stitch will be around 6 or 7 millimeters from the edge, and also all the way around on both leg opening pieces. And I chose to also understitch on the center front. And here I'm only going to make one stitch, a straight stitch right down, and it is 6 millimeters from the seam. So do this part on both center seams. And as you can see, I'm not going all the way around. I'm only making it until it will meet the other seam that we already done. And here how the panties are looking so far. As you can see, the only thing left is to connect the waistband. So for the waistband, as you can see, I have connected serged together the waistband on the side. And then I folded the waistband in half and pressed. The next step is to create equal marks on the waistband, so we will know where to connect the panties and the waistband. So I just fold it in half and mark, and then turn it, put it together again. As you can see, you have equal marks on the waistband. And I'm going to repeat the same process on the panties. So we have the same amount of centimeters in between two sides, the front and the back. So now I'm folding it to see if the front and the back middle pieces are equal also, and they are. If you would like, you can also add an elastic band, but this is optional. And the elastic band should be the same length as the waistband. You just have to add 1 centimeter to connect the band. So as you see, I used a zigzag stitch to connect the edges. So you just put one edge on the other and make a zigzag. Now I'm connecting the waistband and the panties. I chose to put that seam on the side because there is no seam at the back center piece, so I put it on the side. You just pin together the marks that we made, and then if you would like to, you can pin the waistband and the panties all the way around, but this is optional. And the only thing you have to think about is when you serge together the panties and the waistband, please make sure there is no folds. So you maybe will need to pull the waistband a little bit when you serge, but do not pull it like really hard. Do not stretch it out. Just straight it out on the same length as the panties, because the waistband is a little bit shorter than the waist on the panties is. So after you search together the waistband and the panties are now done. So all you have to do is press that seam in the waistline and you're done. So here you can see how the back looks and the front. You can also see the panties from the inside. Everything looks clean. This design is extra popular right now. The boyfriend style panties and boxers and shorts. So you will also shortly see some boxers and shorts on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.